Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. It's a Whipple Supercharger 16 GT manual transmission, 93 octane. We just installed the Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit, as well as some oil pump gear, some cooling mods. Besides that, the car is pretty much stock, factory exhaust manifolds, making just this far away, that far away from 700 real horsepower. I have Doug with me. We're gonna watch a dyno pull, but first let's go check out the engine compartment. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go down and take a look, but I will put links in the description to read a lot more about it. Just open that up, click on it. Doug, come down here. It's a Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger Stage 2 package. So if you click on those links, you can see there's a Stage 1 and a Stage 2, but I like the Stage 2 because you get the big throttle body, you get a little bit more boost. It's a really sweet setup. We did billet oil pump gears. We did the cooling mods. You know, I love those. So the rear cylinder cooling kit, big Aller radiator, and of course the cooler thermostat. So that's pretty much it on this ride right here. We don't have long tube headers on this. This car is laying down some sick power. So check out this dyno pull. Okay, here we have it. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? You email quote@brentspeed.com to find that out. Oh, $699.37. Real horsepower, Dyno SAE, 7,500 RPM, torque stellar, 533 pretty much across the board, peaking at 5,200 RPM. Those are killer numbers. You know, I know we're that close to that 700, but honestly, a lot of these cars with the stock exhaust manifolds, you know, you might be 670 to the tires. So this came out really, really good. Doug, take a look. I really like the way this car looks right here. Super stealthy. Again, basically 700 raw horse, torque 533 across the board. And, you know, manual transmission. You don't have to run 93 octane. This is running the Whipple calibration. So that's the basic Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit with the oversized heat exchanger. What we have for, you know, performance mods on this. And then supporting mods are the cooling mods and the billet oil pump gear. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. We'll be happy to answer. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe and notify. Have a great day.